Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo and Adona Good. Season greetings to one and all. Okay guys, today on my channel I'm going to be making sorrel puree for my sorrel fruit cake. Yes, this is not our traditional cake that we have around Christmas time. I know a lot of other Caribbean people been doing it, but this is not something that I grew up on. It's the black cake, the fruit cake, the Christmas cake, that you have all that names back in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Right? And I tried this once already, guys, and it came out nice and everything, you know, but it was requested to do it again by my friend Paula, so I'm gonna do it on camera this time. These are my ingredients. I have about a pound of dry sorrel because I don't have the fresh sorrel where I'm at in New York. And I have some orange peel here, cinnamon, ginger, a little sugar, and the sugar is for the sorrel because you know the sorrel have a little sour, tangy taste, so that's why I'm using the sugar, but not a lot because I'm going to be using sugar in my cake too, and I don't want it to be too sweet. I have some rum here, and I have some red label wine, and I have cloves. The reason for my rum and red label wine, guys, I'll be using some of that same liquid, guys, to mix my mixture for my cake, and I don't want to lose any flavor. Okay, so I'm adding all of this in it, so you know it can enhance the flavor of the cake. All right guys, so just keep watching, you'll see what I do. I'm also going to be adding like 3 cups of water to my pot. So that's 3 cups, guys. 3 cups of water. Okay? And I'm going to bring my sorrel here to a boil. More like brew it. You know, just going to boil it for like maybe 3 minutes and just let it stay there and brew. You know? So of course, first you're going to have to wash it to get rid of any impurities inside of it. And guys, we don't have the luxury here in Brooklyn. I mean, I heard some places, people say some places have the fresh one. I've never really seen the fresh one, to be honest. It's always the dry one. So what the warm water will do is actually soften it. Okay, just rinsing it off, guys. Cinnamon stick in, my orange peel which is already washed, and I'm gonna cut my ginger up now. So this is the amount of cloves that I'm using, not a lot. It's basically like making your sorrel drink that you make, you know, around Christmas time. Because you know this is the time of year when we really drink sorrel drink a lot and eat our Christmas cake, black cake, fruit cake, whatever you want to call it. Same thing we call it. Okay, that's what we're talking about. So guys, I'm not putting a lot of ginger because I don't want it to overpower my cake. You know, as I said, I'm just looking for flavor to enhance my sorrel puree, you understand? All right, remember to like, subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Thank you guys for being there with me. Thank you for my new subscribers. So guys, I'll put my rum and my wine in when the sorrel is in and it's boiling. Okay, my water is boiling, guys, so I'm now going to add my sorrel in. The moment the boiling water, guys, it starts to soften. Okay, start getting the color. I'm just gonna let this boil for about 3 to 5 minutes, no more than that, and then I'll just turn it off. That I'm gonna add my my rum and this is a 1/4 cup. Same for the wine. Oops. Okay. Start to smell like Christmas already. And I'm also gonna add my sugar. Like I said, I don't want it to be too sweet. I'm just trying to take away some of the sour, tangy taste to balance it out, okay? Alright guys, I'm gonna turn my stove off and I'm just gonna let it sit and cool. Hey guys, I'm back. I thought oh Lord, I thought my recorder was on. But guys, sorry. I took my cinnamon stick out, my orange peel out my sorrel, and I strained it off. That's the liquid that I got. And this is what I'm gonna puree. That's what I strained from. Man, I thought I'm still getting used to this. Trust me. I am no pro at recording or none of this thing here. Alright, so let me just I'm done pureeing my sorrel, guys. So that was it. So there it is, guys. My sorrel puree. It's all done. No food coloring, all sorrel, hibiscus, hibiscus flower, sorrel. You know what I'm talking about, same thing. And that's the liquid from it. So I use it if I want it to make my cake mixture. So there's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, be blessed. I'll be making my sorrel cake not too long from now. Press the thumbs up, give it a like, guys. Thank you, bye.